It's your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel coming from Vegas, baby. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's going down. Subscribe to my channel. Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen Travel crew? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services. And guess what, you guys? I'm here in Las Vegas inside the Miracle Mall. And I was looking for this restaurant bar that was recommended to me by someone called Oceans One. And let me tell you guys, it was hard as hell to find this restaurant. I don't know, we walked around in so many circles and we just could not find the restaurant. It's kind of ducked off on the side. It's right near Journey's shoe store. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what we saw as we were walking around in this circle, because it's just so hard to see the restaurant. And it's actually it's right behind me, right back there. The restaurant's right back there, but I'm gonna show you why it's so hard to find up in here. Then we're gonna go look and check out some of the drinks, because I ordered my drink already. So keep watching this video and hit that subscribe button down below. So we were coming from all the way down that way, and someone told us when you see Journey's, you're gonna make a left. So we were walking, here's Journey's, and we're walking this way. Now look to your right. Do you see any signs that would make you think that it was a restaurant over there? It's like no signs, no signs. So we kind of just kept walking and never thought to look to the right to see that there was a actual restaurant there, and the sign was pretty much right here on this side. So look, so the door actually, was right here on this side, right here. And so the reason why we actually came here is because they have an all-day special here. It looks backwards on my camera, but pretty much you get 3 drinks for the price of 10. So let's go ahead and go inside, and I can tell you guys about the drink menu.
Perfect.
Okay, you guys, so I'm still drinking my first drink, the Long Island. You might could tell I'm starting to feel it. That Long Island, got some power to it. I don't know if it's like the ones in the hood, but it's almost close. But I'm about to show you guys what I got to eat. I got some Cajun shrimp egg rolls. I got some Cajun shrimp egg rolls, and then I got it's called a jumbo crab cake. And then I also was showing you, I think, the salmon salad that my guy got over here. Okay, so like I said, I got the whiskey sour here, and I'm about to give it a taste. It has the orange peels, orange bitters in it. So I'm gonna taste this whiskey sour and see what it tastes like. I didn't stir it, but let's give it a taste too.
I got another Long Island.
Well, I might have had it sitting there too long while I was eating the crab cake, because on top all I taste is like water from the ice melting. So let me give it a good stir. Hopefully it's enough Jim Beam in here to give it a kick over that ice. Woo. Yeah, I taste it. It's not as strong as some of the ones I get at some of the cigar bars I go to in Milwaukee, but I got that video, I think, on my YouTube channel from, what is the name of the cigar bar in Milwaukee? You know the name of it? The cigar bar in Milwaukee, it's on the south side. I can't remember the name of that cigar bar in Milwaukee. I guess if I remember it, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen down there. This is a infused old fashioned. So it got like the whiskey in it. It's pretty good, it's straight. But I want to let you guys know about the crab cake. So I got the crab cake, and the presentation looked pretty good. They had the tangerines, I believe. They had the one tangerine cut in like in half on both sides of the plate. Then they had across from each other the dipping sauce. But I didn't like it. It tasted, I mean, it was done, but it didn't have enough like breading on the outside. And it kind of was like too crabby or too fishy tasting. So no like real seasoning on the inside. So me personally, I would not get the crab cakes again. But everything else that was ordered was good. Those shrimp, those Cajun shrimp egg rolls, those was good. They do got a little spicy kick to them. What kind of quesadillas did you have?
I had all cheese.
All cheese
Quesadilla, 4 cheeses.
Did you like them?
It was actually great. I'm not gonna lie, it was great. I love the way they put the sauces on the side, but it was good. It was actually good.
All right, and what's your second? Is that your second or third drink?
This is my third.
He's on his third.
First drink I had was Bombay. Second was a Long Island. Third is a Long Island.
And how those Long Island's been treating you?
Man, I'm feeling it right now. I really am. I'm feeling it. It's good though.
We're gonna have some trouble out here with us trying to walk back to where we gotta go.
I'm probably finna go right to the top of the towers or something, and I'm gonna have a little chick up there with me.
He in Vegas. My guy here, he got a real review of the place here. Can you want to tell him about the place?
Hey.
Some inside stuff.
So you know the drinks, they were okay.
You might have to talk loud because you know all the talking.
The drinks were okay. The first one I wasn't too good with, but these Long Islands, these things really get you ripped, especially if you don't mind mixing your liquors. Second of all, my meal came out great. Island, what was it? The island salmon salad. The salmon was cooked to perfection, I would say. The servers, in my books, wasn't too great. As you can see, our table is pretty crowded. No cups or anything. I've been taken away as he gives us more drinks. So I would say, I mean, I understand he said it was his first day here, but you would think they would hire somebody with a little more experience, you know? So,
he giving you his review.
Thing, the bags are terrible. Like, I gotta go out into the casino. I gotta go shopping and stuff. They gonna think I'm shoplifting out here with this big ass bag. Like, what the hell, man? So unless you don't got trash bags at home, you might not want to ask for a bag. But other than that, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this place 6.5 to a 7.
Dang.
Honestly.
Dang. 6.5.
And that 6.5 is totally my meal. That's it. You know, the drinks was okay, but I could do that elsewhere. So yeah, 7. I'll give him a 7. 7.
All right.
7 is fair.
What would you give them considering you ate your quesadillas and you liked them so much?
Everything here, I ain't have a problem with the big ass trash bags and whatnot. But other than that, I'd give them probably, because the Long Islands were great, I'd give them probably like an 8. I'm gonna go 8.
Alright.
Pretty good.
And I think because those shrimp, what did I have? Shrimp, Cajun shrimp egg rolls was so good, I get them about an 8 too. The crab cake, I'm really mad because that's really what I almost ordered that by itself, and it's supposed to be a jumbo crab cake. That wasn't too jumbo to me. That was like a small crab cake. Don't call it a jumbo crab cake when it's like an inch big or less than an inch. So, you know, if you're gonna say jumbo, it gotta be at least like 4 inches, you know, like a patty or something.
I would say the service is the worst part. and yeah, it's terrible.
He don't like the service, y'all. But for me, I'd say I give it an 8. My drinks have been okay because, like I said, I knew it was not sure what the drinks was gonna be like, so I said let me go with the most strong drinks possible. What does he think about the restaurant? Okay, when he come back around, call him on over here. So, but for me, I say it was an 8 as far as the drinks and the food. And I want to come back here and try a lot of stuff because they do have a lot of stuff. If you have, if you are like a pescatarian or if you're a vegetarian, they got a lot of vegan options on here. Even like for vegan nachos and vegan tacos and vegan salads. So, and they got like, you know, a lot of stuff with lobster, a lot of fish options. So this is a place where you can come and not feel left out, or you can bring all those people that want to go to the steakhouse here, since they be torturing you, taking you to the steakhouse, taking you to the burger joints and all that. You bring them in here, and then that way they got to pick from all the seafood options and things like that. Then you'll feel like, you know, you in a good place. But there are a lot of other places that are down this way inside of the, is it called Miracle Mall?
Yeah, miracle shop.
inside the miracle shops that offer the same thing, like the 3 drinks for $10. So, you know, we might try out another place on tomorrow or something, because, you know, we in Vegas, y'all.
Been there for a while. Where you from?
Mexico.
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 Sinaloa cartel. Don't go there, it's too dangerous.
You said the cartel there?
Yeah, everybody killing each other, my friend.
Cartel.
Yeah, that's sad, but I mean, that's
Yeah,
what
that's
people
what's
are-
happening in Milwaukee too. Everybody
Oh,
killing
yeah?
each other.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, but just black folks, and it's a smaller city, but yeah, same type of stuff.
I don't know what's going on.
But I know it get real critical out there in Mexico though.
Hell yeah.
They dealing
They
with
cutting
that
cats' heads off.
Do you guys know? Do you guys hear about the Chapo?
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
he's my. We're from the same town.
Oh.
I just met him one
see-
time, long time ago, like in the 1992.
So what you know about El Chapo?
So you guys, I got the Desert Breeze. It's my 3rd drink. And actually my waiter, he said this is his favorite one. So we'll see what it tastes like. It has, what did I say it had in it? It had 2 types of rum. Oh, Captain Morgan. It has Malibu. And then it has some peach schnapps in it. And some orange juice and some a splash of orange juice and a splash of pineapple juice. So I'm gonna give this a taste here. Damn, it's real sweet. I didn't want nothing sweet. I didn't want anything sweet, but I guess I should have knew since I was getting some Malibu. Yeah, I should have went with a drink with whiskey. It says a splash of orange juice and a splash of pineapple. That's kind of like overtaking the drink. And then I guess probably because it got that Malibu in it too. You know, Malibu's real sweet, makes your drinks real sweet. I need to get like another shot of Captain Morgan. I'm gonna tell the waiter, bring me another shot of Captain Morgan. So if you like sweet drinks, you'll like this. So I guess my waiter, he must like sweet drinks, you know. I don't know, but you know, I need some. I need another shot of Captain Morgan up in this. So. And he's still over here off the Long Island. Are you letting that one turn in the water over there?
I'm ready to go ahead and just
Man, as you letting it turn in the water, it's getting light over there. Oh, okay. He just gonna stop it on up. All right, we in Vegas, but he lives here, so it's Vegas all day, every day for him.